we are gonna put our bagels. This is the only way you're ever gonna eat your bagels from now on. So let's put our bagels right in our griddle. We are now gonna put 4 eggs. Here we go. Just like that. We're now gonna put some salt on our eggs, just a touch, and of course some pepper, all in there. Look at that beauty. Now we're gonna add a little bit of cheese. Okay, we're gonna put all this beautiful cheese right in there. You see, here, let's fix this. Boom, gorgeous. Now, this breakfast is so easy and so delicious, it's gonna be hard for you to not make any other breakfast. Because look at this. We are now gonna put some Black Forest ham. Okay, you wanna put it just like this. Give some nice volume in there, look at that. There you go, make it nice and fluffy. Just like that. Here I have another slice. Let's put this other slice here. There you go, nice and fluffy, you see? Boom, beautiful. Now it's time for second cheese. This is some provolone, okay? And this provolone, we're just gonna put 2 slices right in the middle, okay? It's important we put those in the middle, all right? Here, I'm feeling hungry today. I'm gonna put 3. There you go. So easy, so beautiful. Now, what we up to, we're gonna press this down a little bit, okay? Press this down a little bit, and as soon as this egg cooks, okay, I'm gonna check this in the meantime. Oh, this looks so good. I'm almost ready to flip them, okay? But what we're gonna do as soon as this cheese is now melting, the egg is cooked, here, you see? We're gonna take this, and we're gonna try and flip that. You see, our egg is nice and moist, it cooked beautifully, okay? Look at that. You wanna flip it like that, okay? Let's flip this other side too. Well, this needs a little more. I think we can flip those. This is gonna be so amazing. Let's flip it. 1, 2, 3. Look at this French toast bagel, nice, moist, and with all that goodness in there, okay? And we don't need nothing else. We're gonna do everything here on the grill, so we just clean the grill. Once we're done, look at that. Look at those colors, look at these sears, all right? The French toast mixture is just eggs, milk, and a little bit of butter, okay? Now, coming over here, we're gonna put the other side now, here. There you go, it's now nice and cooked. Put this other side right in there. Okay, we made like a nice ladder, you see the ladder? Oh, our cheese is going everywhere, okay? So we're almost ready to finish our dish, all right? It don't need to be perfect, guys, all right? Trust me. Just make it nice and cheesy and gorgeous, okay? Just like that. And we're gonna put this right in here, right on the top. Look at that, gorgeous. I have some maple syrup here. This is my favorite brand. And we're gonna drizzle all the maple syrup on top of this, just a little bit on that bacon. Look at that. It's getting nice and caramelized. And before we put this on top of here, let's add a little bit of powdered sugar. Let's put it in there. Man, this is exciting. Look at that. Boom. All right, let's put it on top. We're done with our creation. This looks so yummy. Boom, look at that. Look how scrumptious this bagel is. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Nice and toasty. Beautiful. All right. Let's put it on our plate. Just like that. Boom. OMG. So beautiful. Oh man, look at this. A little bit more of the powdered sugar. And look at what we got in our hands. Let's cut this. Boom. perfect one person meal in seconds. All right.